Our company, Delta Remediation, specializes in bioremediation, so we use microorganisms that can degrade petroleum constituents in soil and water. And so essentially we're introducing a culture of bacteria into the soil with the use of heavy equipment, and we'll let the microbes deplete the petroleum in the soil over the next 3 to 4 months, and then they'll have clean soil. Business has always been a big part of my family. My dad was a really successful businessman, building a network of John Deere dealerships, and my grandfather was a very successful businessman, building a network of service stations. And so I always knew that business was in my blood. I liked business. I liked the idea or the concept of commerce. I'm Robert Lacey. I was born in Red Deer, Alberta. I now live just outside of Edmonton, Alberta in Canada. I'm currently sitting as the president of Delta Remediation, also the founder of the company, and we specialize in bioremediation, and we clean up contaminated sites. Bioremediation, even in the energy industry, has been around for a few decades. There was a lot of companies that sold bioremediation in the 90s and 2000s as this great new thing, and they bit off more than they could chew. It was kind of the snake oil sales. And so James and I and my team, we've been sort of working an uphill battle to talk to these clients and say, hey, you know, what we're doing is different. Well, you may have done bioremediation 30 years ago and it didn't work. You didn't use the microbes that we're using, the nutrients that we're using, the catalysts that we're using, and the equipment that we're using. So there really is a lot of advancement, not only in what we're using to do bioremediation, but how we're implementing the bioremediation application. And so essentially bringing that new technology both in the field application side as well as on the technological amendment side together, that's Bioremediation 2.0.